Zombie apocalypse.
Guys, welcome back to a new video. So this is lesson number 11 on how to create apps in my series. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you more on how to create apps, and we'll do that by opening your home screen, which is probably this, which I'm just typing right now in the screen, studio.code.org/home, this, and then scroll down to Pre-Reader Express 2020 and then view course. So we have done all of these before. Now click on a royal battle with events number 1. So this game is called Play Lab. See if you can figure out what each block does. Okay, so let's see what we already know what each block does in the last video. So we need to make a royal battle with all of the blocks we have. So I want, when the up arrow is clicked, I want everyone to move up, including the robot, and we have a new block. This will set the actor size to anything here. Okay, now when the down block is clicked, everyone should move down. Down, down, down. And then run, everyone's mood should always be on angry, because you fight angry. Always okay, robot and angry. Now just change this here. You can add any code you actually like here. I'm just adding this code which I actually want to be here. And here, robot, and it's like that. Now I just need to do it for the right side, like this, and like this. Angry bird and robot, right and right and right. Okay, and I just want to add some collide events. 3 ones to be exact. This one for when the 2 of these collide, this one for when the 2 of these collide, this one for when the 2 of these collide. When these 2 collide, I want both of them to be very small and tiny. Set actor 1 size to a very small size. That means they're defeated for me. And also the actor 3 to very small size. Okay, very small. Now for when these 2 collide. Actor 2 very small and actor 3 very small. Very small size. Now for angry bird and the robot to collide. Actor 1 very small and actor 2 very small. Okay, so I'm done with all the code I want to be here. It's actually a lot of code to be exactly. Okay, so who do you think is going to win in this battle? Whoa. Everyone is looking ready for battle. I'm just going to spam the keys and see what just happened. Wait. Look, The angry bird is just carrying a golden warrior on his back. Look, the golden knight on his back. It actually looks funny. It actually looks very funny. The angry bird is carrying the warrior. Look, they're gonna go left and right. Doesn't it seem like the angry bird is trying to take the warrior with him, and the knight is just. They're both riding each other. Okay, it's a very funny thing, but I guess the angry bird won. The most least expected. Have Daisy the dragon say something when you click run. Okay, so this is Daisy the dragon. So I want Daisy to say, how are you doing when you click the run button? And perfect, just like that. Use an event to make Daisy the dragon switch to a random mood when you click on her. Okay, so we need a when the Daisy dragon is clicked, set the mood to random, just like this. Click run and continue. Daisy the dragon turned to happy. Night time. Get the dragon to finish this level. Add an event so that the knight moves forward to the dragon when the left arrow is clicked. Okay, so I need when the left arrow is clicked, move the knight left, and you can use your keyboard or this button over here. I'm just going to use my keyboard and done. It is actually very funny because if you look at that, it just looks like the dragon is saying, how are you doing to the knight? Funny. Now add an event so that the knight runs away from the dragon. When you press the right arrow, move the knight to the right to pass this level. Knight right kind of rhyme. Okay, so let's do it. We need a when right arrow button clicked, move the knight to the left. I'm going to use my keyboard. And all the way to the right. Congratulations, you completed puzzle number 5. It did not work there, it did not complete because I was over here. You need to go all the way to touch the wall over here to complete the puzzle. Puzzle number 6. Use the green, I don't, just cross that. Help your knight get all of the flags. To do this, you'll need to add events to help the knight move up, down, left and right. So the code for left and right is already over here. So we just need up and down. Okay. So let's do up and down. We need a when up arrow and pressed and move the knight up, and the same thing over here, except by the drop down, change it down and down. Just like that. Now the knight can collect all of the flags. And the dragon is also there. But the dragon does not do anything in this puzzle. He does not steal your flags. Actually, I want to just try this out when both of them collide. I want the dragon to vanish. Okay, now it will. Let's just see what happens. The dragon will actually vanish. Oop. The dragon just vanished. Okay, let's collect all the flags. Now the flags are happy. Congratulations, you completed puzzle number 6. Now puzzle number 7. Make this game more fun by adding more things. 1. Set the knight to vanish when he runs into the dragon. Play a sound when they collide to make it feel more real. Okay. So here we need the knight to vanish. You can just change that. and also play a slap sound or any sound from here. And then click run. And I first want to collect all. Oh. Now the dragon is the knight. The dragon can collect the flags. No, the dragon can't collect the flags. I wasn't expecting the dragon to just. Okay, I'm just going to collect all the flags before the dragon just collects and vanishes me. I also want the knight to vanish when the dragon collides. Maybe not. That does not need any. And you also have a set any actor speed. Block over here. Okay. And then wait for a couple. Wait, it does not get finished because you need to collect all the flags before the dragon will get you. Oh! Dragon, stop just getting me. I need to collect all the flags. Okay. Now the dragon should get you. Congratulations, you completed puzzle number 7. Okay, now puzzle number 8. Free play. Use your imagination. What can you do to make this game more fun? Okay, so I want the speed of everyone, of both of the actors, to be cheetah mode. Actually, there are many speeds. Rabbit, snail, worst speed ever, and cheetah, best speed. Okay. And I also want the knight to vanish also want the dragon to vanish when they both collide here. And just, oh my god, instantly. Whoa. This is a crazy game now. Whoa. This is awesome. Congratulations, you have completed the final puzzle. You can press the keep playing button to go back to playing your story. And here you can share your story and stuff. Next puzzle. Oh, congratulations on completing Pre-Reader Express course 2020. Personalize your certificate. This is awesome. We earn a free certificate by completing. Whoa, that's awesome. Here, I'm going to put my name in here. Submit. And look, this certificate is awarded to Kaushik. Now it's your very own certificate. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And it was very interesting because we got a certificate at the end of the video. That's awesome. But before you leave the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like my video. And if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.